don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by Chamo. Bito. I'm Nandi Goodman.
I came up and down from Nandi. First half, Okonu with the Chiefs. Being a game plan.
Yes.
The Pirates be playing. Kazakhumbula the 2 games that Bulile was Kawati. Spumegu Cup. Sashawa idea. No miss a chance.
Yes.
So I'm sure it's good. First 15 minutes, well, at least shy 1 or 2 goals,
yes,
which is what they did.
Yes.
The Chiefs are being a combination play.
Yeah.
I don't think they shot the targets first half.
Yes.
Because I can't be by hands. You understand?
Yes.
The problem with Chiefs, man, analyze me.
Yeah.
It's individual players.
Yeah.
It's not teamwork.
Yeah.
I see team there.
Yeah.
Individual. You understand? Into ezobakhawatha la Chiefs mele dlale njenge-team mele bakwazi ukucabangelana bazi ukuthi umuntu odlala i-5 udlala i-5 odlala i-7 udlala i-7 bayi-understande ngabo i-Pirates into bayenzayo that's why i-Pirates uyibheke i-Pirates mayiphethe ibhola uyazi umrimi mangingama laphayana udayide ngizonginikwa police mangi-shift position unomuntu ozovala iposition yabo so today baba shuthi besithi sibafundisa i-disc obvious angithi ba-arrogant yakhumbula la stage ba-pick up sabapha namaplayer engakhi abayi-4 uyakhumbula basiqhubeka basikhomba bayenzani sabatshela sathi i-caps niphile besibona ukuthi 10 years kuningi then masiqeda sanipha namaplayer so le game le is vindication wena sithibe for i-coach yethu nalabantu labo mangabe besiyaluza 1 sebathukana namaplayer bangena kuma-Instagram account bathukana namaplayer abantu leyo nto leyo kumele baku-understand ezinye isikhathi kuyenzeka ukuthi sidlule but yabona i-Pirates today ubonisile abantu ukuthi uwadu that coach ama-player wonke ngiyawabonga for coming to the party substitute and all labo Tito kawufele bayenze umsebenzi lo befanele ukuthi bawenze uyangunderstand program and igembe emnandi yonke into futhi bokhona ukubona nje but mina iscore sami is 5-0 but angithi the real score is 3-0 mina mangilala ngiyocabanga 5-0 ngoba it's 5 vele ibengifuna kanjalo ngithola umsindo uthuleke ukuthuleka sibabonisa ukuthi nale coach yami I'm so proud of that coach because usend a statement lazi ukubuzule bebamkhomba kanjani bamthembisa amashambok bathi bazomlanda kuphi ku-Rand Stadium uzambe ebuhlungu futhi ngisuza ucabanga sesiphethe imvubu sesala sengishiye into zami for that not fair but congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Kaizer Chiefs must go back to the drawing board and they must stop buying free agents. They must scout ngoba ne-scout esiphuma ku-Sundowns waba ngasisebenzisi bake baphume mfethu noma bangayivenda babe nama-match ayi-3 fresh manje bathe babona abadonsita ku-YouTube but unfortunately bakaniwinile mfethu mina I'm so happy coach am sho yolala kamnandi namhlanje.
Thank you team.